Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the screen brightness on your Sony Bravia smart TV. Okay, first of all you just need to press option on your remote control, and you can find on your this button, option button on your remote control, and press on it, and now you can see the word picture and then just select on it, and here you can see the screen brightness here. Just go to it and select, and now you can adjust the screen brightness, and it now in the middle 50, and we can go up to the maximum up to 100 is the maximum, and then select. And you can also change the color and the picture and the backlight, so we can adjust many setting in here also. And if you want it to back everything back to the factory setting, just go to reset and then okay, and now you can see the screen brightness is back to 50. And another option, you just go to the picture mode and select on it, and now we have the three built-in function. One is the V width, and this one is standard, and you can see the picture on the screen now adjust. And another one is the custom, so it look a bit yellow, and now I just select standard. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can adjust the screen brightness and the picture setting on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.